Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of N8N and Vectorshift. In order to do so, here we are at Vectorshift.ai and we're also at N8N.io. And according to Cider, N8N and Vectorshift serve different purposes within the automation and workflow management landscape. Here's a comparative overview of the two. N8N is a flexible workflow automation tool that allows users to connect various applications and services to automate tasks using a no-code, low-code approach. It's suitable for businesses and developers looking to streamline operational workflows by integrating different systems. Vectorshift, on the other hand, is primarily designed for managing and automating customer interactions and communication workflows, focusing on enhancing customer experience through data-driven insights and operational efficiency. It's often used in customer support and sales contexts. N8N supports a wide range of integrations with over 200 built-in connectors, allowing users to easily connect different APIs and services, making it versatile for various applications. Vectorshift typically focuses on integrating with customer relationship management tools, CRMs, messaging platforms, and other specific customer interaction tools. The emphasis is on ensuring efficient communication rather than broad application integrations. N8N features a user-friendly visual workflow editor where users can drag and drop nodes to create and manage automation workflows. It's designed to be accessible for users with minimal technical skills. Vectorshift, the user interface, is likely tailored towards managing customer interactions and visualizing data around customer communication workflows. It may have a more specific focus on metrics and customer engagement. N8N offers extensive automation options for various tasks such as data processing, notifications, and API interactions. It uses trigger-based execution and flexible scheduling for workflows. It's easier to build sophisticated automation without heavy coding. Vectorshift focuses on automating workflows involving customer engagement, customer support, and sales processes. Provides insights into customer interactions, helping business optimize their communication strategies. It likely includes features for tracking customer queries, responses, and related analytics. N8N can be self-hosted via Docker, NPM, etc., or it can be used in a cloud-hosted environment, making it scalable for businesses of various sizes. Vectorshift, on the other hand, is typically cloud-based, providing business with scalable options for managing customer interactions without extensive infrastructure. Choose N8N if you need a versatile automation platform for diverse tasks, integrations, and workflows across different applications. It's well suited for developers and teams looking for flexibility. Choose Vectorshift if your primary focus is on enhancing customer communication and interactions within specific domains such as sales and support. It offers tailored features for optimizing customer engagement. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you are interested in taking advantage of Cider AI, take a look at the link in our description for this video. Head over to our link tree and there you'll find some information on our upcoming Intro to AI webinars, as well as a discount code for Sintra AI. Skillcraft 60 will get you 60% off your subscription. Click on the link to Cider AI in order to get started with Cider, and take a look at EnzoBot as well. Click on those links. You'd be helping us out and we would greatly appreciate it.